Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are safe and doing good at home. The purpose of making this video is to spread awareness about the COVID 19. Now, in this video, I am sharing about what is coronavirus, what are the symptoms, and how to prevent from it. So, now the question arises, what is coronavirus? It is one of the virus in the SARS-CoV-2 family. SARS is a severe acute respiratory syndrome. It is one of the member of this family, and it all started in the late 2019 in a Wuhan city of China. It is an open market, wet market, where the customer used to buy fresh meat, fishes, and animals which are killed on the spot, including bats also. So the virus jumped into one of the human beings and has set off a global pandemic. Now there are some symptoms of COVID-19. The most common symptoms of the COVID-19 is fever, tiredness, and dry cough. If you have fever, tiredness and dry cough, then you have, this is most common symptoms. And loss of taste and smell also is one of the symptoms of this COVID-19. But the most severe or serious symptoms are if you have difficult to breathe, shortness of breath, chest pain, pressure, loss of speech or body movement, then you have serious symptoms of the COVID-19. You should contact your doctor immediately. Now, our government issued an advisory how to prevent the COVID-19 to spread in the community, and there are some do's and don'ts also which we need to follow. Number one is wash hands. Now, this is the most valuable or important points. Now, whenever you at home or come from outside, always wash your hands with sanitizer, alcohol based soaps, normal soaps, or water with 15 to 13 seconds time to time. And if you have to go outside, always use mask to wear. And you have to maintain social distancing. If you are go outside, at least 6 feet of distance you have to maintain from other person. If possible, don't go outside, stay indoors. Like we were work at home, still we are doing work at home, and our government imposes a lockdown from 24th of March, and we are following that lockdown. Now it's unlock 4. There are some don'ts also. Avoid close contact to anyone. Like earlier we used to use handshake. Now avoid handshake and use namaskar in place of it. And avoid using public transport. If possible, use your own transport. Don't go by public transport. Do not use over the medicine without your doctor prescribed. If you don't have a prescription of doctor, don't use any medicine. Don't touch your face. If you have cough or sneeze, cover your mouth with your elbow. Don't spit in open. So these are some do's and don'ts which we all need to follow. And in the end, last but not the least, a big salute to our corona warriors who are fighting in this pandemic to this COVID-19, whether it is our doctors, policemen, paramedical staff, sanitization cleaners, and all who are still fighting against this COVID-19. Some of them are died also. A big salute from a common man. and in the end I have written something to the in my own words. It is in Hindi, I can read. So it says, आओ करें मिलकर तैयारी, आओ करें मिलकर तैयारी, कोरोना के खिलाफ अभी जंग है जारी, घर में रहें और सब काम निपटाएं, बाहर निकले तो मास्क लगाएं, सामाजिक दूरी और साफ रहना है जरूरी, यही नहीं होती है हम सबकी जिम्मेदारी पूरी, खुद भी बचें और औरों को भी बचाएं, समाज के प्रति अपना कर्तव्य निभाएं. In the end, I would say that there is one slogan also which says, staying apart is the best way to stay united. And this concludes my video. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching.